Hey guys, this is MTP Tech and today we're doing unboxing of Sigma 24-70 f2.8 DGDN lens. It's the Art series lens. Here's the package. Let's go into that. Okay, here's the pouch, I guess. Boom, the pouch, Sigma name. Kind of like that. Okay, let's put it aside. Let's look what's in the box. Warranty, instructions, and to our valued customer, thanks. Move to the side. Let's take a look at the lens itself. Boom! I like the cutout here. We have a strap, I guess, of the pouch. Okay, put it aside. We have the lens itself. Okay, and maybe there's more? Yeah, there's lens hood. Oh, what a button. Nice. Let's get this lens out. Ooh. Nice for a smooth focus ring. AFMF button, lock. So when you shoot it top down, it doesn't go all the way down. But I guess it doesn't, so yeah. We'll see. Will we use the lock or we don't? And let's take a look at itself. Bam. Nice. I like the glass. And let's take a look from this side. Cool. Let's close it. Okay, thank you for watching. That was unboxing of Sigma 24-70 f2.8 DGDN lens. We will see what we can do with it. So press like, comment, subscribe, and peace.